Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing here at 867 Oak Street, just before you get onto Fort Myers Beach. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom plus den home right here to the left. This is a 20 by 20 work shed, gym, whatever you like it to be. Then you have your 2-car garage, your huge circular driveway here. And then we've got the beautiful corridor walking up to your front entry. You also have a pavered sidewalk to the exterior space, which we will take a look at here shortly. Here in the front area of the home, you have a nice seating area with the stone facade. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful home. So as we come inside, to the right are your living spaces, and to the left are your bedrooms and den. So to the left here, we come across the laundry space here. So you've got the nice farmhouse door there, and then you've got plenty of room in the laundry space here. Just off the laundry, we have a den, which is being used like a guest bedroom here. There is no closet, but there is enough room to push this wall out, create a closet here, and make this a 3-bedroom home. Now, right down the hallway, that's your entry to your double-car garage, and it is extended, so it's really deep, really long, plenty of room for all your vehicles and tools, etc., etc. Here is your guest bedroom overlooking the views of the canal, and ultimately also the bay right out the back of this home. Now, just off the guest bedroom is the guest bath here. So you do have the commode, the singular sink, and you have the tub here with the glass shower door. Right across from the guest bath is the master bedroom. Really nice use of the space here. And then we have the master bath with the beautiful soaking tub, the corner walk-in shower here. We've got the dual sinks, and then also we have through here the private enclosed water closet. Now, coming back towards the entry and main area of the home, you have this beautiful wall here of quartz, and this fountain is operational, so you have a beautiful fountain right there. There is a small room here which these owners are using as an office, but you can use it as a additional storage space as well, or whatever your heart desires. And then we open up into your great room area here with the huge bay windows overlooking your water views and the bay. You do have the beautifully redesigned kitchen there, fully functioning fireplace right here. Let's walk over towards the kitchen, get a better look here. You've got the stainless appliance package, the subway tile, backsplash, beautiful countertops, the pass-through window leading to outside, the farmhouse type sink, and this all overlooks your great room area with plenty of room for entertaining. These floors that you see here, while they may seem like they're terrazzo, it's actually not terrazzo, it's an epoxied floor that the owners have run throughout the home here. So right here you have views of the exterior space, and you have beautiful bay views. Let's run outside and take a look here. So coming outside of the home, you've got this nice area back here. There is room to put a small pool onto this home. So you've got this huge view of the canal as well as the bay here. And your lot extends clear down the side of the home. So as we're walking down the side, you've got all of this seawall space that is all yours. And then we also have your dock out here as well. So this is a huge lot. You basically own the entire corner of this canal and all the way to the end overlooking the bay there. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this view, if this is something that you would love to see every day you wake up, give us a call or contact us at all of the information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.